Welcome to DP's Education. In this video, we are going to learn about arithmetic progression. So to understand the concept of arithmetic progression, let us take one example like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 up to n. So in this series, if you take the first term, so if we add 1 to the first term, you will get the second term, and if you add 1 to the second term, you will get the third term, and if you add 1 to the third term, you will get the fourth term. If you add 1 to the fourth term, you will get the fifth term. Likewise it continues. And let's take another example like 22, 33, 44, 55, 66 and so on. Here the first term is 22. For this 22, if we add 11, we'll get the next term, and if we add another 11, we'll get the third term, and if we add 11, we'll get the fourth term, and if we add 11, we'll get the sixth term, and continues like this. And we'll take another example like 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 and so on. Here the first term is 2. If we add 2 to the first term, you'll get the second term. If you add 2 to the second term, you'll get the third term, and if you add again 2, you'll get the fourth term, and if you add again 2, you'll get the fifth term. It continues. In all these examples, what we have observed is, by adding a fixed number, we'll get the next number. So in this each number is called as terms. So by using this concept, now we'll come to the definition. So what is the definition of an arithmetic progression is? Arithmetic progression is a list of numbers. Arithmetic progression is a list of numbers. So these are the list of numbers. So the arithmetic progression is a list of numbers in which each term, these are the terms, each terms. So these are the each terms. So each term is obtained by adding a fixed number. So here we are adding a fixed number. So here the fixed number is 1, here the fixed number is 11, and here the fixed number is 2. So arithmetic progression is a list of numbers in which each term, so these are the terms, each term is obtained by adding a fixed number to the preceding number, to the preceding term, So preceding term in the sense, this is a fixed number and we are adding to the preceding term. Preceding term is a previous term. This is a fixed number, adding to the previous term, we will obtain the next term, except the first term. So in this example, if you observe, for the first term we are not adding any preceding term. So the arithmetic progression, so the definition is, arithmetic progression is a list of numbers. Arithmetic progression is a list of numbers in which each term is obtained by adding a fixed number. Each term is obtained by adding a fixed number to the preceding term, except the first term. So this is the definition, and here this fixed number what are there. So here the fixed number is 11, here the fixed number is 2. These fixed numbers are called common difference, and it is denoted by small letter d. And this fixed number here, d is 2. In this example, d is 11. In this example, d is 1. So the fixed number is called common difference, and this common difference may be even positive or negative or even 0. So let us see one example where the fixed number is negative. Suppose we have a sequence like -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, -6. Here for the first term, if we add -1, we'll get the -2, and for the -2, if we add -1, we'll get -3. For -3, if we add -1, we'll get -4. So here the d common difference is -1. So even the common difference may be even negative. And if we see the example for 0, here let us take the sequence 1 1 1 1 1 1. So for this first term, if we add 0, we'll get the next term, and if we add 0, we'll get the next term. So like this, the common difference may be even positive or negative or even 0. So in the next video, we'll see the next concept, that is general form of an arithmetic progression.